As you can see, guys, I got an NNDM going again today. UAVs, drone technology. I've been watching over the past couple weeks. Made some big moves. Made a big move yesterday on some news, and it's gradually kind of come back from some highs, set down here on this 200, and so I decided to get into it right there, under $8. So we'll see if it moves in my favor today. OPTT, I played it yesterday for close to $1,000 gain. Got back in on the pullback, as you can see it through 20. I just thought it was a good entry, so I got back into it. If we get up near $4, I'll get out before the bell, the open market bell, and get back in on a pullback. See if we can get that movement. As you can see right here, this trend line. When these chart trends pop up, they're pretty reliable. I like when I see them on my charts. And it's automatic. I don't do anything. It's a program indicator. So when I hit, I think OPTT, and it gives me a $400 profit, I'll take that profit. Get back in on the pullback. If it doesn't reach that, then we'll let it run into the bell. It's not a big deal. Maybe come down, tap that trend, hit the 20, go back up. If it comes anywhere near me or the pivot point, right here on my pivot point, or even the 200, I would just buy a lot more. Average down. I doubt that it comes that low. I could hit the bell though. Who knows? Be ready to buy. OPTT's on the scanner over here on the bottom right. As you see, OPT hit the scanner, which is a good sign. It's a real good sign. Here comes the bell. 30 seconds. Love this game. Bitcoin's right at 35, just under 35,000, which isn't bad. ARBKF probably won't do too much at the bell. I don't think NNDM goes to the pivot point. I think it's too low for it. I think it holds over 1,960, and maybe it goes past $10 today for the first time. Yes, sir. Everything's going the right way at the moment. Perfect. I don't think it goes over 10 on the first try and stays. I think it hits 10. Maybe spikes over it, but comes back ultimately and sits back on it. This is the first time ever over 10 right here, so this is a big deal right here. Whoa. Damn, NNDM's not even on the scanner yet. OPTT pulled all the way back to the trend. That's beautiful. That's pretty nice. You can't hate that at all.
Order submitted.
I'll buy that bit all day. So like I said, guys, I think NNDM, after that big move like that, I think it does hold the $10 mark, especially since this chart trend right here is coming up right under $10. It's got some support down there, a lot of support. I think it has a nice little run today, so that's why I didn't sell it the big pop right there. I'll see what the next hour has to offer with NNDM. NNDM just moves too deliberately every time. That's why I play it. I've played it over the past 8 months to a year now. I was playing it when it was like $3 a share. And it's a beautiful stock, I can tell you. I would say that maybe half of my wins, full wins, and I have a $54,000 account right now. Half of my wins are probably because of the NNDM. 2-minute chart looks like it's pretty much setting up a 3-bar play. Extended, but it's expected after a big move like that. Maybe I'll play on the 5-minute too if it can keep that red bar like that. UVS is moving for me a little bit right here. UVS going back up. I should have bought that pullback, but I was paying attention over here. It's okay. I'll do better next time. OPTT is pulling back right now. May come down to some support level. I'll buy more here in a little bit if it does. I'm watching it on one of my offs to my left, so the screen's to the left. I think NNDM has a nice setup right now. I'll get out under 11. Yeah. OPTT is pulling back to my position. Hit this little support right here. Let's see if it reverses. Over me right now. Let's see. Give me a good ask right now. I'll pull my NNDM on my main chart, that way I can see the ask and the time it sells. If OPTT pulls past me, I'll look for it to come either the pivot point or this nice this 200 right here on the 5-minute, right? I watch the 5-minute a lot more than the 2. I mean, both I like both of them, but for some reason I like the 5-minute. A lot of times the price action will dip below the 20 or the 200 on the 2-minute. And if you click over to the 5-minute, you'll see where all that support's at down there. A lot of times it just goes down there and says on the 5-minute 200 or 20. No scanner for NNDM. I'm very surprised. Let's break that 1040. Come on, baby. Yes. So $1,000 is my daily goal. I think what I'm gonna do is take these profits because I'm at that goal right now. And what I'll do is so I did sell guys already.
Order filled.
And then at 1,014. I'll buy on the pullback down here at $10. It will come back to $10. I'll buy on that pullback. But I just wanted to lock in my daily goal of $1,000.